Okay, let's talk a little bit about setting up your ladder. Now, if you'll notice, this ladder is set up on concrete. This little strip of walkway. It's free of debris. There's no moss and algae on it. If there were moss and algae on it, I would remove it with soap and bleach and water and get all that out. Notice the feet are planted correctly. The ladder's level. It's not tilting from one side or the other. Not very much anyway. This is a fiberglass ladder so that when I put it up against the gutter, it doesn't scratch the gutter. If you don't have a fiberglass ladder and you have an aluminum ladder, you can just put something between the gutter and the ladder or use a standoff. But also, it's important to note that, see how far I have the ladder extended past the gutter? That's so you have handrails to hold on to as you go up onto the roof and step off onto the roof. That's pretty critical to be able to have those handrails to hold on to. Also, notice I've got the gutter up against the gutter spike. Here's a gutter spike right here. You want to put your ladder against a section of the gutter that's got a gutter spike so you don't collapse the gutter in. There's some more gutter spikes down the line. If you put your ladder between spikes, it's more likely that the gutter can bend in, particularly when they've spaced the spikes more than 2 feet apart. The people that installed these gutters did a good job, but I've seen gutter spikes spaced 3 and 4 feet apart, and if you put your ladder between spikes, you're going to bend your gutter. At any rate, when you tie off to a gutter spike, which I mentioned, you simply take a rope, come in under the gutter spike, like that, and tie it around your ladder right here. You want to do that because, particularly if you're working alone, wind comes up, your ladder blows over, you're going to be in a world of hurt. Anyway, when I talk about these rails and extending the ladder up, notice as I come up, with both hands I can hold on to these rails and step onto the roof, and also it makes for safer stepping off of the roof onto the ladder.